everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Cora. If you're new here, thanks for dropping in, and if you're a subscriber, thanks for coming back. I have another unboxing for you, and this is for the Louis Vuitton Bumbag. I wasn't really keen on getting this bag. It wasn't even under my radar at all. However, I got into a fanny pack by using my Jujube Hipster, and this one's in the Kawaii Carnival print by Tokidoki. It's a Jujube and Tokidoki collaboration. This was my first time using a hipster, and I absolutely love this thing. So I use this mostly when I go to the gym because there's a pocket for my phone and it fits what I need. And I can use it as a sling bag, front of the body bag, crossbody, and I can also use it obviously as a fanny pack. So using this for a while made me really wanted to get a bum bag. So let's go ahead and get started on the unboxing. So here is the box. I got this a couple days ago, and if you've seen my other unboxing, oops, kind of rip that apart. If you've seen my other unboxings, how I've got this item and like most of my items that I get, I do actually talk to a client advisor that I now just email. She gave me her email information when I did call for the first time when I was inquiring about the Alma BB in the Vernis leather, and she gave me her email address, and since then she just told me if I was interested in any of the other items. So here's the envelope for the receipt to just email her, and she'll be able to order me some of the items that have been out of stock on the website, or it would also say notify me when available, or when it's, or call to find out if it's still currently available. So I've been really lucky to be able to get my items through her. And here is my latest item. Let's go ahead and look at this together. I have never seen this. I haven't seen it at the store. I basically just watch videos on it on YouTube, and I basically fell in love with it. And so let's go ahead and see it together. Oh, seems very squishy there. Okay, here you go. Oh, still covered up. Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go. This is actually only I believe my second piece of having just the monogram canvas. And oh, I love how supple this is. The canvas is very supple, very squishy. That's so pretty. So here is the handle. There is a top handle to this. And this has a lot of vachetta leather all over on the straps here. Just like the Speedy Bundler 25 of the By the Pool collection that I just got. And I'm not too keen again on the vachetta leather. On the vachetta leather. But I did grab some Apple Guard and sprayed the pieces, the vachetta leather that I do have, to see if that will help protect it from water stains. Wow, it is so pretty. It's actually not as big as I thought. Well, just looking at it. I haven't obviously tried it on yet, which I will do on the body shots or mod shots for you. And in here there is a zipper here in the back pocket. It is a slip pocket, zippered with black lining. Has a canvas all over, obviously. And then I like that there's a back pocket here. This is definitely where I'm going to be putting my phone. Zips beautifully. And since this is new, I like to just inspect it a little bit since I've just unboxed it. So I'm just gonna go over the dimensions that is available on the website of Louis Vuitton. So here it says that the length of the bum bag is 14.6 inches. The height is 5.5 inches. And then the width as well. And the width is 5.1 inches. And watching some of the videos, how to open this is just kind of flip that lip up there in the front to unzip it, or makes it easier to unzip. There's the vachetta leather too on the tag here. Oh, that's awesome. So this piece, there's a tag inside. I'm gonna go a little bit closer to the camera. The tag inside that says it's made in France. Awesome. And just grab there's the, so here's the tag in the back. And the code is M43644. And this one currently retails at $1,760 US dollars. And inside is just black lining to it. Oh my gosh, it's actually pretty cool. Actually very excited to wear this. I don't understand this whole thing that's going on here, the D-ring at the bottom. I've seen some videos and some pictures that they actually place like a bandeau, a scarf right here and tie it up. I most likely will kind of wear it as a sling bag in the front, or in the back I might maybe just put like a hand sanitizer there or something. Alright, so I'll go ahead and do some on the body shots. Thank you for watching my video on the Louis Vuitton monogram bum bag. And I'm actually very excited to start wearing this. Hopefully I'll be able to wear this on an upcoming trip. And this I got all because of this. My Jujubee hipster from Tokidoki Jujubee collaboration. And now here's my Louis Vuitton bum bag monogram. Alright, thank you again for watching my video. You guys take care. Bye.